Welcome aboard, viewers! If you're new to this channel, I'm Hoàng Anh, teacher of the pre-senior, senior courses at the IELTS workshop, and thank you for tuning in to another installment of our series, Speaking Sample. In keeping with the objective of this series, which is to resource IELTS test takers with quality reference materials, I'm releasing this video sharing my sample answers on a common yet often dreaded topic, music. So let's rock and roll. Do you like singing? No, I don't enjoy singing because I sound like a crow. All too often singing off-key and told to pipe down. I know that singing is a skill that can be practiced and perfected, yet it's just not in my blood. As a matter of fact, I have attended an online vocal training course. However, my voice still cracks whenever I hit high notes. How often do you sing? I would say I burst into songs every 30 minutes at school recess time, belting out my favorite tracks to vent any pent-up energy. Also, when I'm running errands, I also croon a few lines to feel happy inside. Who's your favorite singer? The singer that I adore most is Celine Dion, a world-famous, award-winning French-Canadian pop diva. Apart from her incredible vocal range, she is also noted for being a real showman on stage. I mean, her dancing, clapping and fist pumping entertained even the last person in the furthest stand in her concert. I play her music every day, and I even boarded a flight to see her perform back in 2020. Where is a good place to sing? Oh, the usual suspect, the bathroom, of course. I mean, its wall tiles enable excellent acoustics, amplifying people's vocals to have a fuller quality, while adding in special sound effects of pro singers like reverberation. That's why I sing in the bathroom all the time, even though I know that my singing punishes listeners. So that answer has brought my speaking performance for today to an end. What do you think about it? Do you think that you can carry a tune? Leave a comment down below because I'm very curious. As always, if you like this video buzz, please hit the like button to show us some support, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so that we can ping you whenever our new content arrives. That's it for today, everyone. Farewell.